There's a third island, and they're plotting to destroy us all.
Oh, crap.
In the Angry Birds movie 2, there's a new threat.
Fire another ice ball!
Oh, my God.
We wanted to find an enemy for the birds and pigs that would force them to team up.
Hey, Chuck, we're putting together a team! And I think we're on it!
For the first time, they gotta join together.
Okay, so what's the plan?
Trust me.
I know what I'm doing.
Working with what we got.
This movie is a heist.
What the?
It's a mission movie.
Step 1, we break in undetected to Eagle Island.
No one can see me. I'm sneaking.
Step 2, we're gonna need some speed.
Jerry, are you seeing this?
I don't see anything.
Step 3, deactivate the super weapon.
Nothing works around here.